Thanks for watching Peaky Kids TV. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Surprise Toys Opening. Which one should we open first? I think the Kinder Surprise. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, neat. It looks like some sort of a racetrack. Let's build it. Next, let's open up the Fingerlings. This is the Fingerlings Series 2 collection. Let's see which one we get. Oh wow, I think it's an orange panda. Let's take a closer look. So all the monkeys here are on the popular page. I think they're like the common ones. Let's find the panda. The panda's so cute. It's got sparkles all over. And it's in the Legendary collection, which is awesome. Okay guys, so this is the first DC Comics Ooshies that I'm going to be opening. Let's see which one we get. Yay, we got Penguin! How cool does he look? I definitely want to also collect Batman from the list that we see here. Next up, we have the car surprise egg. Let's see who we get today. I think I know which one it is. I think we got Dr. Damage this time from the Cars movie. I'm super excited to open up another Disney Wooshie. I wonder which one we're gonna get. I'm hoping for a princess. Let's see which one we got. Whoa! I think we got Sleeping Beauty. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. She's the hologram version, so her hair is clear. It's clear yellow rubber. Wow, she's very pretty. And she is from the Rare collection. Another Kinder Surprise toy opening. This is the one with the pink top. Let's see what we get inside. Oh, well that's cute. We got a little doggy. He looks like he's Mr. Cupid. And there is a little heart attachment. Let's see what it does. Okay, so according to the diagram, the heart is supposed to be on the bottom. It's like a base. So let us switch it to the bottom. And there he goes. And next up, we have a Paw Patrol surprise egg. Let's see what we get inside. Oh wow, it's Zuma! We got Zuma. And we are going to be opening our second Fingerling surprise. Let's see what we get. Is it going to be a panda? Is it going to be a monkey? Okay, so here's a little purse. It's orange. And we got a little monkey. He's turquoise, or she is turquoise. She is so adorable. Let's find her in the catalog. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention before that you also get a bracelet. So let's find her in the catalog. I think she is just in the popular section. I think she's this one here. Her name is Heidi. How adorable. And I think they're supposed to be pencil toppers. I forgot to mention that before. And our last Wooshie, Disney Wooshie. We got Fairy Godmother. How cute is she? Wow. So she actually is also in the rare collection for the Disney Wooshies. And lastly, we are going to open up the itty bitty Lost Kitties. Which one are we going to get? So these are from the Itty Bitty Lost Kitties Series 2 collection. And I think we got a little cat who is jumping. Let's see. Yes, we did. Aw, it's so adorable. It's like a reddish color. And the little cat's name is Danger McGee, and he's from the All Play edition or collection.